How to fix the Spectrum router red light. What this red light means is that the router is powered but unable to establish internet connection. A solid red indicates a critical error, hardware, firmware, or power related. First, check for an outage. Use the MySpectrum app or website to see if there's a service disruption in your area. A red light may simply mean Spectrum is down. Second, verify cable connections. Ensure power cord, coaxial cable, and Ethernet cable are all firmly connected. Inspect for any visible damage or loose connectors. Coaxial connectors must have straight pins. Third, power cycle modem and router. Press the modem's front restart button 30 seconds for a soft reboot. For a manual reboot, unplug power from both modem and router and wait 60 seconds, then plug them back in. Wait for modem to show a solid online light and router to switch to solid blue. Fourth, inspect Ethernet port activity. The Ethernet port lights on both modem and router should blink during data transfer. If there's no blinking, try swapping the Ethernet cable or port. Bad cable or port can cause red light. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.